I choose a priority mail box. I choose a priority mail box. I assemble the box. I assemble the box. I put the item inside. I put the item inside. I add packing peanuts. I add packing peanuts. I close the box flaps. I close the box flaps. I take some shipping tape. I take some shipping tape. I seal the seams. I seal the seams. I cut the tape. I cut the tape. I grab a black marker. I grab a black marker. I write to and from. I write to and from. I write the full address. I write the full address. I take the shipping label. I take the shipping label. I peel off the backing. I peel off the backing. I stick it on the box. I stick it on the box. I carry the box to the counter. I carry the box to the counter. I place it on the scale. I place it on the scale. I wait for the clerk. I wait for the clerk. I ask for priority mail service. I ask for priority mail service. I buy some extra stamps. I buy some extra stamps. I pay with my credit card. I pay with my credit card. I enter my PIN. I enter my PIN. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I check the tracking number. I check the tracking number. I say thank you. I say thank you. I leave the post office. I leave the post office.